In this video, I will show you how to make simple circle easily for beginners. First of all, make magic ring or magic loop or magic circle like this. Insert your hook in the circle, pull up the loop and make one single crochet. This single crochet will not count as a stitch. Now make more 6 single crochet into the circle or into the gap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now pull up the loop. 5 and 6. Now insert stitch marker here and make 2 single crochet into each stitch. 2 single crochet into each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now we have total 12 single crochet in total in our second round. Now we will start our third round. Make one single crochet and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, 1 single crochet into next stitch and 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet into next upcoming stitch. 1 single crochet into the next stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat it till the end. In our third round we have 18 single crochet in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now place your stitch marker here and we will start our round 4. Two single crochet into next two stitches and 2 single crochet together into third stitch. Repeat it till the end. 2 single crochet 1, 2 and 2 single crochet in the next stitch together. 2 single crochet into next 2 stitches and 2 single crochet into the upcoming 1 stitch. Repeat it till the end. Now we will start our round 5. This is stitch marker, not exactly a stitch marker, but it is used as alternative to stitch marker. Actually this is stitch marker, but I use yarn loop as stitch marker. Okay, now we will make round number 5. Make 3 single crochet into 3 stitches and 2 double crochet into next stitch. 3 single crochet and 2 double crochet. Repeat it till the end. When you want to complete this circle, make a slip stitch into the next stitch where we have insert our stitch marker, and your circle patch is complete here. You can repeat by adding 2 crochet after 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, and it will begin bigger